Today's headlines. Top 10 news you don't want to miss. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up with the latest news.
The Lenovo Smart Clock 2 gives Google Assistant a new look. Lenovo's Smart Clock and Smart Clock Essential are attractive and functional Google Assistant alarm clocks, and the newest Smart Clock 2 adds a wireless charger to the mix.
Red Sox revel in owning the Yankees. A second three-game sweep of the Yankees this month has the Red Sox back in first place in the AL East.
Deadly shooting in Massachusetts eyed as possible hate crime. Massachusetts authorities investigating Saturday's deadly shooting in Winthrop said they have found evidence that the incident may have been a hate crime, a report said.
Matt Hancock, Labor calls for investigation into private emails. It follows a newspaper report that Matt Hancock used his personal email account for government business.
Tesla Model S Plaid defeats cars built to win Pikes Peak. Nobody would expect us to be faster than that. When Tesla unveiled its new Plaid Model S earlier this month, it took the world by storm, fueling dreams of speed, racing, and fun. In the sense of a grand finale to Tesla's event, another.
Former Skid Row singer Johnny Solinger dies. Former Skid Row singer Johnny Solinger has died, according to a post on the official Skid Row Instagram page. He was 55.
JP Morgan picks its favorite Chinese stocks on everything from hydrogen to EV batteries. China is becoming a top player in electric vehicles and renewable energy. These stocks are set to benefit from the green energy boom, according to JP Morgan.
U.S. carries out airstrikes in Iraq and Syria on Iranian-backed militias. A defense official told CBS News all the targets, command and control and logistics for drones, were hit.
We're going to have to get used to this. Pacific Northwest scorched in dangerous, record-breaking heatwave. Record-breaking temperatures Saturday and Sunday. A risk of heat exhaustion. We're going to have to get used to this, said one expert.
NASCAR, Kyle Busch wins Pocono Cup Series race with busted clutch. Kyle Busch overcame a broken clutch to win the NASCAR Cup Series race at Pocono Raceway for Joe Gibbs Racing. The victory broke a streak of 6 straight wins for Hendrick Motorsports.